Let's check out RadWood.
Alright, we are on the way to RadWood. This is an event that's put on by the Driving While Awesome guys. It's a car show about the 80s and 90s classics, and we're on the highway right now cruising down with some of those 80s and 90s classics. Yeah, heading to Philadelphia. We were pretty sure we were going to have to go all the way to the West Coast for this, and that was the plan. And then they announced a Philly date, so it's a lot easier to really wake up. It's like 7 a.m. right now, but we're on the way.
Here we are at RadWood. We're parked up quite near the entrance. So yeah, that's what you do when you have your 8.6 kind of gun. I have the Motocompo here. Since the last time you've seen it, it was red. Now it's white. I'm pretty sure if you guys watch more skits, you would have seen the white cowling. Guess we'll make our rounds.
Gonna go see what they have.
Yeah.
This is wild. It feels like being 5 years old at Disneyland.
It's crazy.
For the
It's like
first time.
it's like a festival more than a show, really.
Yeah, I saw every one of my dream cars before I parked. I was still waiting to get inside. It's
Yeah.
pretty crazy.
What's happening? I got you guys donuts.
I love you.
You're gonna love them. Some nice flavors.
You got a lot of hair going on.
Yeah, no, that's why I'm not worried about it. You can stab me up. Oh, thank you. I had to, get some kind of 85 going, because I don't have a car. Yeah. Yo, what's up, guys? How is it? I mean, it looks amazing. It's literally a car show in every street.
Dude,
The first one.
it's so good.
It's great.
It's so good.
So far, I think we've looked at about half the cars at the show, and we're the only 8.6s right now. So I'm hoping to see more, but I'm kind of hoping there aren't any more. It's tough. People are loving them. It's cool. People love the Motocompo, which is sick. Dads are coming up to Jose and asking if their kid can sit on it, and it's just the most heartwarming RadWood thing I've ever seen. So this is the best show. This is really, really cool. All right, we found another one. We're up to 3.
It's cold. I haven't tuned it yet. The carb is totally set for like 80 degrees right now. And it's like, what, 60 right now?
Maybe a little colder.
Yeah.
Suddenly, I never want carbs.
Oh, 60 every morning. There we go. Oh, there we go.
All right, here, loop around, pull up, and then say, let's go check out RadWood. As soon as you pull up.
That's a great intro. Generated such a crowd. So good. What do you think?
This is cool. I've never sat in an MR2. This is like our distant cousin, not so distant cousin. We share a 4AG relative. This is tight. I'm always like tempted to jump on an MR2 I'll see on Craigslist every once in a while.
This one's really clean too.
This is really clean. This might put me over the edge from tempted to owner.
Oh, he's got the manual?
That's awesome.
Wow.
All right, so here is the raddest car here. It is a Mercedes. Not sure. I think it won because it has easily the raddest wheel specs. And what I'm gonna do is ask him about wheel specs, because that's what car shows are all about. Let's go.
All right, that's a wrap on RadWood Philly, our first RadWood, but I don't think it's gonna be our last one. I imagine we're probably gonna try and make it out to the West Coast in these cars, and hopefully try and coincide it with RadWood. So we'll see how that goes. But this is also the first time I've taken the car to a show, which was super fun. It was cool. It was great talking to people about it, and a few people recognized me as the guy that flipped my car, and asked me when I'm going to post a new video, which will be, you know, someday. But yeah, this was great. It was cool being it was cool rolling with Hosen here, and just it was a super fun experience. People talk about the old 911s being the Widowmaker, but I think the DeLorean, 88 miles per hour to time travel, is the most turbo lag you could ever experience.